Yeah.
Did you see it?
Intense.
Wait.
I'm not even gonna dare because
James,
I
you
don't.
did it? Come on, James.
Don't even hang with me.
James.
If I die,
I'm not gonna die.
Dude, if I die.
I'll be so mad.
You're not gonna die.
I will come back for at least a few minutes.
Throw it down. Pump your stomach. You're first.
Dude, but that means you have to. You realize if he does it, you have to do it.
I'm gonna hold you down.
Yeah.
He got the courage. He got the courage. He actually had it in his mouth.
No, you already got it right. Okay, I'm gonna bite half off. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my goodness. My God, it's like looking at him do this.
So, how you doing?
You go, James. Who's so far?
It
Guess what
probably
the sprinkler's on.
comes up.
Don't burn your
It's
esophagus.
that hot.
Dude, I bet it just like it's gonna hit like that.
How you doing?
It's hot.
Oh my goodness.
James, go.
I can smell it.
Hey, I can smell it too. You got there. I have to. You got there.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh. Oh, it's Hiccups. You know that's hot. Hiccups. Oh man.
Wow. This is gonna be horrible.
Oh my goodness.
Did you swallow?
Are you gonna throw up?
Oh man. Oh my goodness. James, you might as well get started.
I know. I'm just gonna over with. Man.
Sorry.
Go, James. Go, James.
He's gonna throw up. No, I didn't want to.
Yes! James is the man! Woo!
Dude, you're not looking too good.
If you spew, get this stuff out of the way.
Is it that hot?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he's crying. Oh my. Oh my goodness.
My skin!
It's gone.